Located 40 kilometres west of Mittagong in the beautiful Southern Highlands of New South Wales, River Island Nature Retreat is Australia's premier clothing optional holiday park. A relaxed atmosphere in a peaceful setting surrounded by the sights and sounds of the Australian wilderness. From luxury cabins to caravans or your own secluded campsite, River Island Nature Retreat has accommodation to suit your needs. Recharge by the pool, in the spa, or with a bit of friendly competition, or wander one of the many walking tracks and experience the tranquility of the pristine environment, and as dust settles in the valley, try and spot a platypus foraging near the riverbank. The Wollondilly River provides a wide range of activities including fishing, canoeing and swimming. Or for a whole new perspective, take to the sky and enjoy a ride that will leave you breathless. For those looking for a challenge, the retreat's four-wheel drive tracks will test the most seasoned driver. Whatever it is, River Island boasts something to satisfy everyone's spirit of adventure. A unique experience for those from all walks of life. Come and enjoy a well-earned break you'll never forget. River Island Nature Retreat, where you are free to enjoy your holiday your way. Visit our website for more information.